How to still use Snap Camera for PC in 2026. First, you're gonna make sure that Snap Camera is uninstalled from your PC. So if you have any earlier versions of Snap Camera installed, just uninstall them. After you uninstall Snap Camera, just go to the first link given in description. This will bring you here pre-Trumpist Snap Camera server on GitHub. We're gonna find the Snap Camera 1.21 for Windows. Click here and just download this. I have already downloaded this file and it's here, Snap Camera exe file. Just install it. It's been installed, just don't launch it yet. Finish. And here we have the Snap Camera shortcut on desktop. Right click on the shortcut and go to open file location. We're gonna find this Snap Camera application. This one here is Snap Camera. Just keep it like this. Open your browser and go to the second link in description, Snap Camera Patcher. This site is made by Jaku and he deserves all the credit. So we're gonna now go to desktop, find the Snap Camera application, just drag, and now we're gonna drop it here, right here. Now scroll down here and then click on apply patch. It will automatically download the patched file, this one. So this in folder and just copy this, Ctrl C, Snap Camera patched. Close. Now go to Snap Camera installation directory right here and then we're gonna paste this here, Ctrl V, continue. We've got here two applications, Snap Camera patched and Snap Camera. Just delete this Snap Camera, delete, continue. And we're gonna rename this Snap Camera patched to just Snap Camera. And after, continue. Once it's done, close this. Now you can launch Snap Camera. It will now be functional. All the filters will be working. And there you have it, all the lenses are working properly. You can configure your camera by clicking on settings here. Yes, I have the integrated camera as default. If you like this video, then just give a thumbs up and make sure that you're subscribed to this channel.